Hi there, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Technical Analysis Trading course for beginners. I have a little short story to share with you before we start. When I was in UBI in trading world, I always place all my readings on fundamental analysis, hopping up and down looking for stocks to hold for months. I could not find. Before I could realize what the market had gone for and I've lost so much money. I started again to find a strategy that will suit me to enter the market earlier. It's only fundamental analysis, it's only technical analysis, that could do such. So because technical analysis will give you a clear view of whatever you want to do because you have so many things to guide you, like indicators, candlestick, moving average, support and resistance, etc. All this mentioned now might confuse you because I also face such challenge. I ask myself, where do I start? Which one should I learn? Should I learn all? Answer is no. And today I decided to make a clear video for you just to guide you because I don't want you to pass through what I've in difficult times of my learning. In my previous video, I've treated how to analyze this market using candlesticks, and today we are going to do what? We are going to learn how to analyze market structure using moving average. Now, introduction. What is market structure? I mean technical analysis. We always define technical analysis as using previous data to decide the next market move. Now, what is market structure? I always say this. Market structure, this helps us to define the market current formation so that you can decide what to do next. To stay out? No. To buy? No. To sell? Yes. It sounds good. Let's move to today's main topic, which is what? How to do what? Define a market structure using moving average. Okay. Now, what is moving average? Let's take it this way. It's a trade indicator that follows the price. Now, let's give a little sketch about what we mean by that. Let me do a little drawing so that you can see before we move to live chat for better clarification. This type of line is called moving average. You can pull it up in your indicator, then you see how the price respects it. That's what we call moving average. Now take a look at this live chart. You see the price, you see the moving average following up the price. That's how we use it to analyze a structure. And this type of structure is called an uptrend. You get to that, but just know how moving average works in analyzing a market. Now, important question to ask. How do I use moving average to define a market structure? Let's find out. Number one is uptrend. And personally, I use 150 period moving average just to do what? To give me clear view that the market, once it's above 150 period moving average, I know the market is totally in uptrend. No doubt about it. And then I have defined the structure of my market. I will have a clear view that this is uptrend. I'm only buying when I see a good opportunity. When market comes to my area of value, I do what? I buy. Now, let's move to the next structure, which is downtrend. Downtrend, this is when the price is below 150 period moving average. You just define a long term on a trade that the market has been on downside for so long that I will only do what I will be looking for opportunity to sell when the market comes to area of my value. Okay, now look at this chart. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Let you have the framework of what I'm saying. Okay, now this is euro against Japanese yen. The trend is pointing lower and the price is below it. This is totally a downtrend. I don't have another thing to add up. You have given me clear view. My market is what? Pointing low. I will be only looking for opportunity to do what? To sell when it comes to area of my value. Is that clear? Let's move to the last one. Then number 3, which is the last one, which is range market. This one price moves up and down disrespecting your moving average. What do you do in this type of structure? Let's visit live chat. What is live chat? So for to have a clear view of what I'm saying. Now this is a live chat of British dollar against New Zealand dollar. The price is chopping, it's moving up and down, it's not respecting the moving average, of course. So what can you do in this structure? Guess what? This when your support and resistance comes to play. All you need to do is to go to your indicator, pull your support, mark your resistance. You have defined the market structure. So this is how you do it. Watch. Just pull out your line below, mark it as your support. Then you pull out your what? You pull out your resistance. So when market comes to your area of value, for instance, if it comes to your support and gives you what? Confirmation, good candlestick confirmation, you buy. Likewise, resistance. When it comes to your resistance and give you confirmation, you sell. If you like what I've done so far, please give me a thumb up. Wow, I think this is the end of the video. So let's do a little summary of what you have done so far so that you can recall all you have learned. Now, summary of everything, we mentioned market structure. We said it helps you to define the market condition, to decide whether to buy, whether to sell, or to stay out. For example, if you see market in uptrend, what will you do? You only do what? You only do what? You only buy. Likewise, when you see your market is in downtrend, when your moving average is pointing low, like this structure now, what do you want to not be doing here? You don't want to be buying. You only sell. You only sell. You only sell when the market comes to your area of value. You sell only in downtrend. And always remember that your market structure consists of uptrend, downtrend, and range market. In uptrend, you only buy. In downtrend, you only sell. In range market, you draw your support and resistance. You sell at resistance and buy at support, vice versa. That's the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I will teach you how to time your entries when markets come to your area of value. Please, if you love what I've done so far, don't forget to give me a thumb up. I appreciate your effort staying to the end of this video. Thanks for watching.